In this video, we will talk about Tesla's new $15,000 house for sustainable living. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Since 2003, Tesla has created eco-friendly products and services. Their new $15,000, originally $33,000 house is an environmentally friendly house for the masses. Tesla Energy. Tesla Energy is a new suite of on-site batteries. The Powerwall works with solar panels to provide backup power when the grid goes down. Large businesses or cities can use grid-tied storage systems to cut costs and increase sustainability with the largest power pack. Tesla Energy products start at $3,500 for 10 kWh Powerwall and increased based on the size and capacity. Elon Musk, we're trying to change energy consumption by saying you don't need fossil fuels or utility companies. Power generation should be portable. As long as your home is connected to a grid with lots of wind and solar power, which it should be if we want to reduce CO2 emissions. If a hurricane destroys your home and knocks out power, your Tesla battery can save it. Tesla Energy wants to change things. Instead of dirty energy, use clean. Tesla Energy. Who? Tesla makes electric cars and batteries, but it also designs and sells other equipment. The company has solar panels, well-mounted batteries pack up to store off-peak energy, and large batteries that can be built into new homes and businesses. Tesla is building homes, sort of. It's building an affordable, sustainable house on Tesla Energy. The design includes solar-powered appliances and lights. It generates more energy than it needs while costing less than most houses. Tesla's house. Tesla has long promoted green technology. Bloomberg News reports that it collaborated with Musk's Solar City Corp to sell a solar roof product last year. According to Solar City's website, prices start at $21 per square foot before incentives and reach into 5 figures, depending on how much electricity you want your house to produce over 30 years. Cost of Tesla's home. Musk and Tesla are redefining how we move from A to B. You may not know, they're aiming to change our lives from solar panels on every roof to electric cars in every garage. They're working towards a greener future. New step. Tesla's affordable green homes. First model cost $15,000 and was unveiled in California. It's designed with basic parts, plywood and polyurethane insulation to keep costs down while still feeling modern. It has enough room to be an apartment or a house. You know home will have a shower, bed, kitchen space, and all powered by solar energy. Let's see what makes these green homes so great. Should you buy Tesla? Elon Musk sells houses and it's cheap. The Tesla founder revealed the company's latest plans in Los Angeles on Wednesday night. Musk is tackling renewable energy and sustainable living with Tesla houses, which have solar panels and battery storage to power lights, appliances, and more. It starts at $49,000, but can be more if you add a rooftop deck or solar tiles. Many of the Tesla's new product won't ship until 2023 or later, so we ask for details. All our questions are answered. While Tesla cars have had plenty of the problems and delays in this area, there is no reason to think they can't make batteries and solar tech more affordable. If all goes according to plan, we could see large-scale home battery packs by 2022, which could mean less reliance on traditional utilities. Can my house store solar energy? Yes, energy arbitrage is smart. The price of stored electricity depends how much you produce versus how much you can consume, what your utility charges per kWh, and how far your home is from them. If enough people charge their EVs overnight, they could eliminate almost all of their peak demand usage or get paid by their utility to do so, which would help utilities meet peak demand periods by not having to build as many power plants. That could lower everyone's power bills, but especially those with solar panels who would be paid not to use their excess electricity. While I don't know how Tesla wants to implement charging EVs using solar panel arrays, I'm assuming that during daylight hours when most people aren't home and maybe only electric cars are around, you will get paid more for putting extra electricity in your battery pack compared to if everyone arrived home from work around 6 p.m. at night and didn't have time to recharge before going out again. From a utility perspective, it sounds like a smart business model. My roof for solar panels. Solar panels can be installed on any roof. Sometimes homeowners are hesitant to install them on older roofs because they don't want to spend thousands on a new roof to save money on electricity. Need a new roof? If unsure, ask yourself these questions. My roof is it shingled or tiled? Which shingles or tiles? Wood or metal? Is its foundation cracked? If your home was built after 2010, its roof should last at least 50 years. Oldest roofs last 10 to 20 years. Depending on your climate, more rain, snow means faster deterioration. A 15-year-old roof may already be worn. Although not everyone agrees, we recommend getting estimates from different contractors to see if you need a new roof. It may be strong enough. This will help you decide if solar energy is right for you. If not now, wait until you know if the old thing still has life. When will my solar panels die? We're often asked about the solar panel life. When will my solar panel die? The answer depends on climate, but solar panels should last 20 to 25 years or more. Here are a few factors that can affect how long your panels last. If you live in an area with heavy snowfall and ice, ask your installer if they use high-quality solar panels rated to withstand snow loads. We like Canadian Solar and Kyocera solar panels. Locally, some manufacturers may have better heavy load rating than others. Good installers can tell you which panels can handle heavy snow loads. Hail is bad for cars and solar panels. Hail damage can destroy entire areas. So choose a high-quality solar panel that has been tested by hailstorms and proven to withstand them well over time, greater durability. Wind damage and tower failures. Most installers today use towers that can withstand 90+ mph wind gusts. When trees fall or large trucks hit towers, they sometimes fall. Solar panels, easier to finance than electric cars. The new Tesla solar roof is game changer. It allows homeowners to replace their roofs with an aesthetically pleasing and durable solar panel roof. Tesla has built-in value because it powers your home and battery storage system with 100% renewable energy and lowers your electricity bill. And how does it compare to financing a Tesla? Depends how much you drive. Tesla Model S 75D costs $75,000 to $90,000 after tax credits and has 300+ miles of range. Tesla Power 2 home batteries start at $6,500 after tax credits and should give you peace of mind in case of a long period without sunlight or when everyone in your household wants to use something at once, electric dryer plus dishwasher plus washer plus computer. Financing through Solar City or another provider could cost $30,000 to $35,000 with installation, which is still cheaper than most electric cars. Prices may fall as demand rises, so keep an eye out. Plus, Tesla's battery work with Solar City's solar panel system and inverters. These additions will reduce installation costs and increase versatility in low sun conditions. With Tesla's new loan plan, link below, paying off these systems may be easier than paying off your EV monthly. If you want to go green without breaking the bank, Tesla may have what you need. But do your homework first. Musk sleeps well, knowing people use his products responsibly. Not being able to afford them doesn't mean someone isn't trying. Why Tesla got into home batteries and roof tiles? Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, said the company's new solar shingle tiles look good even without solar cells by mimicking traditional roofing material. Now we know. Friday night, Bloomberg reported that Tesla had begun taking orders for 2 versions of its glass tile roofs. Each costs less than half as much as installing comparable photovoltaic systems elsewhere on a rooftop today. Waitlist applicants must pay like $1,000 deposit to reserve a spot. Tesla will customize design before scheduling installations next year. Tesla solar roof almost affordable. One of the Tesla solar roofs have got 3 layers, ultra-efficient glass tiles, a protective layer that resembles slat or terracotta, and a solar cell embedded in it all. Tesla estimates that installing its prototype solar roof module would cost $42 per square foot, less than asphalt shingles and any metal or slat roof available today. What do you think about this whole story? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go.